The next feature I'm going to show you is the baseline compare tree view. So imagine tracking the path of each issue in each baseline and having a hard time picturing where has this issue gone through. Baseline compare tree lets you compare the tree structure of selected baseline on top of highlighting different values. So let's do a compare. And then let's select the tree view. Let's expand. So as you can see, aside from highlighting the difference in values, it is also displayed in a hierarchy manner.